In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link products to deals in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're doing and why. Linking products to a deal keeps your pricing, quantities, and offerings tied directly to a specific sales opportunity. It helps you quote faster, track what you're selling, and keep everyone on the same page. Make sure you already have your products created in Pipedrive, and that the deal you want to connect them to exists, so this process is smooth. Let's get started. On the left side of your Pipedrive screen, look for the three dots icon in the sidebar. This is the More menu that houses additional features. Click that three dots icon to open the menu and then select Products. This takes you to your product catalog. Here, you'll see a list of the products you've already added to Pipedrive. You can scan the list or use the search and filters to quickly find exactly what you need. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct items, especially if your catalog is long or similarly named. If something seems missing, check your filters or confirm that the product has been added to your catalog beforehand. Next, choose the products you want to link to a deal. To do that, check the boxes beside each relevant product. You can select one item or several at once if your deal requires a bundle. Once your items are selected, look to the top left area of the product list and click Add to Deal. A small window will appear where you can specify which deal these products should be connected to. Start typing the deal's name, then select it from the suggestions. Take a moment to verify you've chosen the correct deal, especially if you have multiple deals with similar names. When you're confident it's the right one, click Save. That's it. Those products are now linked to the deal. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't immediately see the products option in the menu, your workspace layout or permissions may differ. Check with your admin or confirm that the feature is enabled on your plan. After linking, you can manage details like pricing and quantities from within the deal itself, keeping all your sales information centralized and consistent. And there you go. You've linked products to a deal quickly and cleanly, making future quoting and forecasting much easier. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this section anytime you need a refresher.